Hey guys, welcome back to Erwin's Art Adventure. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a taco. Let's get started. I'm going to draw a big curved line in the middle of my paper. So it's going to look like this, like a big half circle. I'm going to kind of curve it at the end like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this line to this line. With a curved line like that. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to actually draw the ingredients. So we're going to do a couple triangles to represent the cheese. So we'll do like a rounded pointed triangle here, and we'll do one here. Inside our tacos we had some tomatoes, some cut up tomatoes. So we're going to do some half circles. And we're going to do another half circle on the inside, and we had a few cut tomatoes in our taco like this. Now I'm going to do some lettuce, but what I'm going to do, it's going to be a series of wavy lines. It doesn't have to look like mine, it doesn't have to be perfect either, and it's okay, but feel free to pause the video at any point to kind of use my photo as a reference. And it's going to be my lettuce. So we're actually going to give the taco a face. So I'm going to we'll do some end shapes. And we'll give it a mouth. A couple eyebrows. We'll do some lines like this, some smaller lines. And we're going to give the taco a body as well. So from the bottom of the taco, I'm going to do a curved lines like this. On one leg, I'm going to do an oval shape, and it's going to be at the bottom one, and we're going to do the same with the other leg too. Now I'm going to do another oval, that, and like that, kind of like it's dancing. Now I'm going to draw an arm, and it's going to come out at this point right here. I'm going to do a hand, or sorry, an arm, 5 fingers for a hand. And then we'll do another one coming out from right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, a simple taco. So now I'm going to actually color the taco. Feel free to pause the video again for reference, or if you just want to catch up. It doesn't have to look like mine. Feel free to take your time, and we'll be right back. And there is my taco. A fun fact about a taco is that tacos have their own day. Both Mexico and United States celebrate National Taco Day, with Mexico celebrating it on March 31st and the United States celebrating it on October 4th, which is pretty cool, right? Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe, or with the help of your parents, like and subscribe for our future videos. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.